Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you are here. Please click on the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Be part of the family and help me reach my goal of getting my first 1,000 subscribers. Let's get started. Sugar, wheat flour, or you can also use regular flour, salt, baking powder, butter, and buttermilk. But since I don't have buttermilk, I am going to go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of lemon into 1 cup of milk to turn this milk into buttermilk. And also, or you can also use vinegar. So once you put the tablespoon lemon into the 1 cup of milk, you have to stir and let it sit for at least 5 minutes in the fridge before using it. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your butter and put it into a freezer and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. Flour, half a teaspoon of salt, two tablespoons of baking powder, add your sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix all together. I have already put my butter in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So now I'm just gonna take my butter. It's pretty cold and hard. I'm gonna use a grater to grate my butter. Okay, you're gonna stir this together. Now I'm going to add my milk that I've turned into a buttermilk. Get your working surface ready. Just put a little bit of flour there. And add your dough. Okay, so my dough has a ball shape. Get a roller. Fold this first time. This is going to create that flaky taste. You have to be fast because you don't want that butter to start changing or getting warm while it's not in the oven yet. I have already lined up my baking tray with some parchment paper, and I have here 2 shapes that I want to use. I'm going to use a heart and just a regular round. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes.